Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thanks for following, subscribing. Make sure you hit the like button as well, really appreciate that. Getting loads of new followers this week, we've had like 2. Today we're going to be fitting some bath taps. It's not going to be an easy job, you'll see when we get in the apartment. Access is under to the bath is through another room. It's going to be a tricky one, but look, Harvey here is going to climb under the bath, sort it all out. Right, mate? Yes, he is. Also, make sure you hit subscribe. Don't forget to smash the like button. Appreciate that. Cheers. Let's go.
We're out dancing in the dark, broken pieces, open hearts, finding out just who we are.
This is the first problem with the city centre. Parking, suspension everywhere. So we're going to have to go park a little bit further. Means we've got to walk with our tools to get to the job, but it's part of working in city centre. Right, that's the tap that we're changing. To access that, we've got to go in here through some cutout. Get to the pipes there. We're also going to change the bath waste as well at the same time. Put a new bath waste in while we've got it all out. Wait, we've got that out. Looking hard to get it in. That was a nightmare to get out. Got that one off. Just got the back nut to get off now. There. And then the taps are off. Give everything a good clean up. Should just pull out though. It's all undone at the back, but don't drop it into the bath because it'll chill the bath. Yeah. It's heavy that. Get that in there for that. Right, I need to give all that a good clean now. There's a cloth down there and some spray there. Give it a clean. So that is the shower we're fitting. Aqualisa, my ass. It's a deck mounted bath shower mixer one. Harvey's going to stick it in the bath now. It's very old. I'm going to put some clear silicone just round the edge of it as well. So it seals up just as an extra. And then Harvey's going to put the tap in. Try and keep it centered with the holes, yeah, when I go around and tighten it up. Keep them right. Try and get these on now. So that's centre there, mate, so keep it there, yeah. Get it hand tight first. Tighten it up with a basin wrench. Right, that's one side on. Just going to do the other side now, yeah. Right, we've got both of them in now. Tightened up with difficulty. Just put some new fibre washers on it now. And tighten them up. We're halfway there. Both of them on now. Tighten these up. We've flushed the pipes out now. Showers, bathtub's fitted in, new bath waste on. That's just finished under this part. Just got to box that back in now. Right, just test it out. It's fitted with a new pole. Got a new bath mixer tap, pop-up waste, the bath, the shower, temperature, that's it done. Right guys, we've finished that tap now. It was a very tricky job getting in there under the bath. We did struggle a bit, but we got the job done. It's all done, worked, tested. So make sure you hit follow, make sure you subscribe, come back for some more content like this. Say bye to Harvey. And that's how he says bye.